finished high school, and a lot of the issues were going to a job interview was, you don't have experience, you don't have this, you don't have that. So, and you can have more degrees than a thermometer, you know, and you can, it's all about the experience that goes hand in hand with it. The teacher-student culture, it's based upon, in my opinion, a professional friendship, you know. So you still have this teacher-student relationship, but at the same time, having this friendship has also made learning so much easier. You know, whereas I used to be in a classroom and it'd be do this, do that. Of course, my teachers were kind and whatnot, except for the odd one. But no, but it's very much everyone's on the same level. You're there to learn. You're being taught. It's fantastic. You know, it's really accepting. A socially confident person, but you know, like I said, I had no life goals, so therefore I was lacking in some sort of confidence, and I think we've all felt like that at some point. But you know, doing it physically and knowing that I'm good at what I do and I take pride in my work, it's amazing how much better I feel about, you know, taking the next step forward into life. Quality of work improves so much when you have a holistic understanding of it all. Not just on paper, but really with your hands. And this is a trade, so it's a very hands-on thing. So that's how you reinforce the knowledge that you learn in the classroom.